Hello, herb enthusiasts. Today we're immersing ourselves in the world of strawberry mint, a delightful and aromatic herb that adds a burst of flavor to your culinary adventures. Remember to subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of herbs. Strawberry mint, scientifically known as Mentha ex piperita strawberry, is a delightful and aromatic herb that adds a sweet twist to traditional mint varieties. Though not a naturally occurring species, it is a cultivated hybrid known for its distinct flavor reminiscent of both mint and strawberries. This charming herb is a versatile addition to gardens, providing not only culinary enjoyment but also serving ornamental and aromatic purposes. With its vibrant green leaves and a subtle hint of strawberry fragrance, it offers a delightful sensory experience. While the primary use of strawberry mint is culinary, belonging to the mint family implies potential medicinal properties common to mints in general. Mint varieties are often associated with digestive benefits, including alleviating indigestion and nausea. Additionally, the aromatic qualities of mint are thought to have mood-enhancing effects. However, specific medicinal uses can vary, and it's advisable to consult with healthcare professionals for reliable information. As for nutrient values, mint in general contains vitamins A and C, along with small amounts of various minerals. In the garden, strawberry mint can serve as a beneficial companion plant, potentially deterring certain pests with its aromatic profile. It's a delightful addition to herb gardens, containers, or even as a fragrant ground cover. Mint thrives in well-drained soil with partial sunlight. Mint plants are relatively low maintenance and require regular watering, keeping the soil consistently moist. Maintaining a consistent temperature and pinching back the leaves for bushier growth are crucial for their well-being. Strawberry mint adapts well to both container and garden cultivation, making it an ideal choice for herb enthusiasts. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of herbs. Farewell and happy herb gardening.